In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job in Canada through LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to explore job opportunities in Canada, LinkedIn is one of the most powerful tools you can use. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to help you enhance your job search prospects effectively. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to linkedin.com. If you're not already familiar with LinkedIn, it's a professional networking platform that connects millions of users worldwide. Whether you're seeking new job opportunities, networking with other professionals, or learning more about your industry, LinkedIn is the place to be. Once you're on their homepage, you'll need to log in. You can do this easily by signing in with your Google or Microsoft account. If you prefer, you can also enter your email address and password to access your account. If you don't have a LinkedIn account yet, it only takes a few minutes to sign up, and trust me, it's worth it. Now here's an important tip. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn may ask you to verify your identity. This is a security feature to keep your account safe. They might send a code to your phone number, so make sure to have your phone handy to complete this verification step. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your LinkedIn homepage. At the top of the page, you'll find various icons, and you'll want to click on the one labeled Jobs. This icon is your gateway to accessing countless job opportunities that may suit your skills and career aspirations. Now here comes the exciting part. Searching for jobs in Canada. In the search bar at the top of the jobs page, you should see a section where you can enter the location. Go ahead and type Canada into the second bar to refine your search results to positions available in any part of the country. After entering Canada, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once you've done that, you'll be able to browse through the plethora of job listings available. Take your time to look through all the different opportunities that might be a perfect fit for you. Consider using the filters available on the left-hand side to refine your search even further, making it easier to find roles that match your criteria, such as job type or experience level. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to start your job hunt in Canada using LinkedIn. With these straightforward steps, you're opening yourself up to a world of new possibilities and potential career advancements. So go ahead, explore the opportunities, and remember, persistence and patience are key in finding the job that's right for you. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips like these. Good luck with your job search, and see you in the next video.